I'm Brianna. Welcome to NEWS News, Friday the 25th of August from Stadium Southlands.
We start today with Te Kuku o Te Wiki. This week's word is maku,
which is turnout for words, as in te maku ngā hu. The shoes are words.
Sports equipment use. A friendly reminder to return the sports gear to the trolleys at the end of playtimes.
Duty teachers and house captains are on the lookout to see who's doing the right thing.
Hot club news. 4 more days to get those orders in.
All orders into the office, please. Remember, every order helps our school library too.
Okay, most students are wearing their high-vis vests to and from school. Please do likewise.
2015 Pet Day logo entries are now being accepted.
Get your designs into the office on A4 paper with your name on the back. Your design needs to include Winton School 2015 Pet Day.
I can't wait, I might wear my pet unicorn.
Oh god. And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Birthday news is part of time for Alex Wallace, turning 11 today.
And Stella Peters turning the lucky number 7.
Happy birthday, guys. Have a great day. Celebrations time, come on.
Okay, that's all for the Winton School news. There's a special Polyfest report following this edition, which you can see up next.
Until then, from everyone here at the NEWS, take it down, Papa.
Stay clean, stay dry, and kia kaha, Winton School.